Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll talk about the MIUI 12.5 update size and features in the Poco X3 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this MIUI 12.5, and finally I did get my Poco X3 phone back, which I did give to my cousin brother. That is the reason I was unable to make videos on this phone particularly. And right now let me show you exactly what is the size and what are the features it got added in this phone. As you can see, friends, this is exactly the version number 12.5.2 and size is about close to 997 MB of size. And let's see, these are the new things which got added, as you can see, friends. So which is a July security patch update which we got right now in the August. So right now the date is about 25th of August, as you can see clearly. So this is exactly the update details which we got right now. And let's see how much time it actually takes for the installation process to complete. That is what I did give the stopwatch study in the background. The download speed will be quite different from one user to other user, but the installation process and the time should be kind of similar to each other. So after updating to the latest MIUI 12.5, I need to do the multiple testings using the another benchmark test and a couple of other benchmark tests in this Poco X3. So just letting you know how is the overall experience while using this MIUI 12.5, because previously a lot of users, they are actually facing plenty of issues in the Poco X3 after updating to the Android 11 mainly. So let's see whether those problems got fixed or not with this kind of update. That is what my main motive of making this video. So right now the download has been finished. As you can see, it's kind of close to. So as soon as the download is completed, I did start the stopwatch, as you can see. So from now we can actually get to know how much time it actually takes to completely install this process. As you can see, friends, right now it's asking us to reboot as well. So let's see how much more time it actually takes this complete MIUI 12.5 to get installed in this Poco X3 device. So I'll definitely focus on the performance and other aspects as well for the next upcoming days. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. As you can see right now, it's going on the loading MIUI. So I think it might take a little bit kind of more time than expected. As you can see, friends, right now it's still 1% only. Let's see how much more time it actually takes to finish. As you can see, friends, exactly after 7 minutes and 30 seconds of time, the phone started to reboot. As you can see, the installation has been finished, but still it's going to take certain amount of time. So let's wait for that kind of time. Let's see how much more time it actually requires to completely finish this installation. Fine, friends, it took about close to 8 minutes of time completely to finish this MIUI 12.5 installation in this Poco X3 device. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick review on this Poco X3 installation and the size and the features, what it got added. Let me try to exactly show you. And finally, right now it's getting booting up. As you can see, still it's going to take certain amount of time to get everything done. Let me go to the options about phone, and it got successfully updated to the latest version, as you can see, friends, 12.5 update. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off. Bye.